In this lesson, we have to follow the instructions carefully to learn to make a photo frame. Making a photo frame. Things you will need: your favorite photograph, 2 pieces of paper or cardboard. Please make sure that you use hard paper and not thin, light paper. You can even use thin but strong cardboard. Glue or tape, pencil, scissor or paper cutter, paints, markers, color pencils or crayons. Any material that can be used to decorate the frame. Instructions: get a piece of hard paper or cardboard ready. Draw a rectangle on it with a pencil. All 4 sides of the rectangle should be few inches bigger than the photograph. Now cut another rectangle out of the middle of the hard paper or cardboard. This rectangle's size should be slightly smaller than the photo. You can either paint or color the frame, or wrap it with something interesting. You can draw patterns too. You can stick on different colored paper or any other decorations. Cut interesting shapes out of paper and stick them onto the frame. You can be imaginative with your decorations and use things that are available around you. For example, you can even use colored grains, pebbles, dry leaves, flowers, etc. and stick them on the frame. Now we move on to the back of the frame. Cut a rectangle out of another piece of paper. This rectangle has to be slightly smaller than the main frame so that it easily covers the center of the frame. Attach the second rectangle to the back of the frame. You can either use glue or tape. Make sure you leave one side open to slide the photo in. Now you can slide the photo into the frame. Slide it through the opening that you had left on one side at the back of the frame. Your frame is ready. You can either keep it for yourself or give it as a gift. In case if you'd like to hang the frame, you can stick a piece of string to the back of the frame. Stretch the string right across and stick each end, and your frame is ready to be put up on the wall.